Hello friends, I am Nitin Sonone, property coach, property investor and property advisor. So as myself I am into real estate industry. So today I will tell you how to remove a fake and negative review from your Google business profile that affects your status in the market. Okay, now we will start. See, my property business name is Property Destiny. So I am just typing here. Okay, so this is my property business page, Property Destiny. You can see there are around 38 reviews, almost 5 star. All 5-star reviews are there. So I will be just telling you now. Wait a second. There are almost 5-star reviews, you can see. So I will just go on these reviews, and this I am giving you live example, not like I am just telling. This I will be removing live, as this is my own business, Property Destiny. These are my all photos that we have helped customers to buy new properties and just help them to invest in new properties and give them advice regarding the investment. Okay, so this is my Google my profile page. Now this I will take you to reviews. See, these are the reviews. Okay, you can see there are many reviews. 1-star reviews only is one, so I will be talking regarding that review. So you can see here, Swapnil More, these are all positive reviews. You can see Kamini say. Okay, you can see Vinoy Sahai. Okay, I will click on more user reviews. Okay, now the Tampar of this, and now see, this is the negative review that I am talking about. So you can see Praveen Chavan. So he have given us 1 star, and if anybody give you negative review, you should reply to him. Just don't keep that review idle. If any customer sees that negative review, he should also know why somebody has given negative review and what is, as a business owner, what is your answer to that. So I have mentioned here that this customer is not our customer and he is some competitor, and have given fake and spam review to just as he is our competitor. I have also mentioned that other people and other customers are very happy with our services, and so they have given us 5-star review. So your fake and inappropriate review that, and you are not our customer, you are just a competitor. So this is negative review. So from here there are 3 dots, you need to click on this and report this review. You need to click on report review. So I had already done this process, but it has been around 3 weeks, but still in the Google My Business profile page I am seeing it as decision pending. So normally decision, Google gives the decision after 5 to 6 days, 5 to 6 working days, minimum it is 3 days. But after that also, if it's still showing as decision pending, then we need to do appeal to Google. So I will just show you that also. Now I will just open my this Gmail. Okay, there was spelling mistake. Okay, I am just opening my Gmail. So see, this is my Gmail. So this I have opened it. So to know what is the status, I have already reported this review. To know the status of your review, you can please copy this link. For this you need to go here, support.google.com business workflow 994576. Once you open this link, then only you can go through the business Google My Business remove review page. Okay, I have reported it from there, and then I came here. So see, manage your Google business reviews. Please note down this link, otherwise I will also share this in the description. Okay, so here it is, manage your Google reviews. So confirm your mail, it is asking to confirm your mail. See, so I am just confirming it. Now it is asking Manage a Google business. Manage reviews on Google business for easy automated self. It lets you report. Select a business to review. If you are there are number of business in your that uh, Gmail ID, you can select one of that. I am having one only, so I am just selecting this only. Okay, I have selected this, so it will say continue. I will say continue. See, confirm whether you have reported a review. What would you like to do with your use? See, now the review that I have reported, it is not seen here. It means Google has already removed that review. If that because today only Google removed it, I can show you. See, I have received the email. You can see this, your request to Google. You can see that time 23.51. I will click on it for you. I have got reply from Google once I appeal to that review. Okay, you can see it. See, your this is reply from Google. No reply google.com, Friday 14 March 23.51. So this was my review that I have complained to Google. Thank you for Google reply to. Thank you for alerting us to certain review associated with this business profile on page. We found this review in violation of Google policies. So we have made all the approvals, all the removals you asked for. Learn about our, because this request is incomplete. This email doesn't address can't accept you. We regret your inconvenience. So this is just a reply from the Google that I got, that the negative review has been removed by Google and I cannot reply to this email. So this is the process actually. So I just wanted to show that I have received this reply from Google that your a negative remove have been removed. But sometimes, like you can see, currently I am able to see this review, but it will take like 2 to 3 days to get the remove, get the remove, get the review removed from the Google search. Because you can see I have received the email today only, 12 hours ago, so it takes around 24 to 48 hours. So this is the process to I wanted to tell you that how can you remove the Google review. If you are confused little bit here, today only few days back I can see here the my business profile name, and there was also the review and status was seen as decision pending. Now as the review is already removed, so I am not able to show you here that decision pending. But if it is showing as decision pending, then there is a button is there, appeal the review. If a decision is pending for more than 5 days, once you have reported the review, or second option is it shows there is no violation in the review, so it cannot be removed, then you should click on, here there is another button, appeal. So you should do the appeal from there and follow the process that is visible and write to the support.google, means the procedure is same. You can just do continue and it automatically takes you to the page where it says that write a email to Google support. Okay, then you can write that email, and once that email is sent, because I have sent that email to Google today itself, today means yesterday I sent that email, and Google gave me a reply in within 24 hours that we got your email and we have removed the review. So you need to specifically mention to Google that what why the review you think is fake. You can mention that this is fake review, like I will tell you what I have mentioned in it. Just a second. This is the message that I sent to Google reporting, doing appeal to the review that the review is fake. You can see the message. See, the customer is lying and giving misinformation, and he did visit through us, and he is blackmailing us by giving negative review and asking money from us. So we send this message to Google on 14 March at 8:15 p.m. by doing appeal, and at on same day around after 3.5 hours we received email from Google that they have removed the negative review. So see, after sending this message we received the acknowledgement from Google. Let's see, at 14 point, when we received the acknowledgement, 14 March at 8:15 p.m. Thanks for contacting Google Business Profile Support. Your reference case ID is this. So Google replied to me, and now we will see what email, after doing this appeal after 3.5 hours and sending this message that this uh, review is fake and why it is fake, because that customer is blackmailing us for money and etc. I will show you what reply I received from Google. So this is the reply. I did I did appeal at 8:30 p.m. and around 23:51 p.m. around 3.5 hours after 3.5 hours after I did the appeal, I received reply from Google. Your request on Google. We found this view in violation of Google policy. So we have made all the removals you asked. Means Google is saying that we have removed the negative review. Now, how will you know that Google has removed it? So immediately after receiving this mail, you check the your Google My Business profile. There you will still see the review, but it will take around, sometime it takes around 12, 24 to 48 hours for the Google review to get removed from your Google My Business profile and from the Google search. So now we will see if this review is still there. So we will go here. Okay, we are just again we are typing property destiny. I will just refresh it. Now we will go in the reviews, Google reviews. Now we will see, this is first review, Swapnil More, Vinayak More. See, 3 weeks ago, that our review was, that negative review from Praveen Chavan was 3 weeks ago. Now see, it is again, see, 4 weeks ago came. Now that review is missing, the 4 weeks ago. So Google has removed the review. So in this way, you can remove the negative review from your Google My Business profile and help your business grow. So if you have any query regarding this Google Map, Google My Business, and anything regarding property, that how can you increase your property business, or if you want to invest in property or have some query, I am Nitin Sonone. You can contact me. My phone number and other things are there. You can subscribe for the new real estate tips and other things. So thank you.